Welcome back the video again. In this video it's going to be fast and short. I'm going to be showing you how to add the talking head video you usually see in some, for instance, YouTube, Instagram, or whatever kind of videos, storyline, storytelling videos you see online. It's quite easy to do using the Max tool. So for instance, I'm going to bring in this
Hey there,
video.
future video editing.
Okay, so I have this video. It will usually be on basics, right? So I have it here, and this is it. So now I can decide to bring in this video. Let's start with this one we used earlier. So we'll just bring in this, for instance. So we have it on top, as you can see. I can decide to max this video to make it appear just in a circle instead of this full video, and to do that we'll go to from video, we'll go to maxing tool again, and we're going to click on this particular one. You can actually do it in different shape. You can do it in triangle, in the love, the star. So I'm just going to use this. Okay, as you can see, this is it here. So you can just position it the way you want it to be. All right, if that's the way you want it to be, and then you can move it downwards to where you want it to be, and you can reduce the size. Okay, so as it's like that, you have it there. Let's get back to it, then we'll move it to this side. All right, okay, so move it to this side like that, and we can reduce it. You don't want to reduce it from this side, it's going to change the shape, as you can see. So you want to always just Ctrl Z and just use this edge to reduce it and move it to the side like you see there. And if you want to make it smaller, you can definitely make it smaller. So it's not like you can just do it the way you want. You can make it work the way you want. And now if we play from the beginning, this is what we
Hey
get.
there, future video editing maestros. Welcome to this transformative CapCut video editing tutorial for complete beginners.
Okay, so that's one way. We can bring in this video also, and let's just take this video here, and we can do the circle, or we can do whatever one. Let's use this star this time. Since we're going to be working on this star girl dancing, we're just going to use this star this time and just put it to the side. It's quite easy to do, it's not complicated. All right, not complicated at all. So we're going to add it to this lady we have here. Okay, as you can see, we have in the star already. So now we can just increase it if you want to increase it, as you can see. So you can just make it there if you want it to be fun, and in the middle you have it there. So if you play it, this is what you get.
Today, we would be your guide on a journey from novice to pro editor. And the best part, it's all 100% free. Stick with us. Use the timestamps you will find down.
As you can see, it's super easy to make this. It's not complicated at all, and you can do it for your videos. You can just use it to make, for instance, this star effect or the circle talking head. You can actually do whatever you want to do with it. It's quite easy and it's never complicated. CapCut PC, the AI is magic, and trust me, you would love it. Thanks for watching this one. I will see you on the next one. Stay blessed.